I'm fascinated by vintage Methodist Church cookbooks as time capsules. The Hamilton Cookbook gives us a peek at what families in Midwest America were eating in 1914. 28 recipes for fresh oysters, several tempting ways to eat canned fish, sweetbread or organ meat croquettes, pickled pig's feet, 4 variations on beef tongue, frog legs fried or broiled, and 3 recipes for mock turtle soup. If you're familiar, you know there's no turtle in mock turtle soup. It's a boiled cow's head soup flavored with cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ketchup, and sometimes chopped up hard-boiled eggs and canned peas are added. I do love this recipe for lobster salad, which simply calls for 6 live lobsters and some lettuce. There's several recipes for chili sauce, which by the ingredients seems to be what we call salsa today. Let's get to the good stuff. 10 recipes for cruller donuts, 5 devil's food cakes, a very intriguing baked marshmallow sandwich with butter, cream cheese, and crackers, and a recipe for baking your own communion bread. We did make the cream of peanut soup and the Irish potato pie recipes from the Hamilton Cookbook. Click on the link in the description to visit our United Methodist table to see those videos.